Welcome in Attorney Josh Ritter, just joining us this hour. He also hosts the podcast Courtroom Confidential. Josh, thanks for waking up early on the West Coast there for us. It's a real treat when we get you in the morning. So hope you've had your coffee, because this one is a doozy, Josh. Talk to me here. I can't blame Frank Prieto and Sabrina Puglisi for being furious and saying, State Attorney's Office, get off this case immediately. Your thoughts?
Yeah, it's a real misstep by the prosecution. Whenever you're going to go into electronic devices, especially, or if you're going through boxes and boxes of files, you want to have a clean team and a dirty team. This is just kind of prosecution protocol 101, because you don't want to run into a situation where you do stumble upon privileged information or evidence that you should not be able to view, because then you do run into these problems. Now, what are you going to do? Now you have the prosecutors who have apparently seen privileged communications that they should not only have not seen, but not even be aware of, and they're the ones still handling the case. So I think that the defendants are in a very ripe position to make these types of arguments, and I think the prosecution should have handled this differently to avoid this from the beginning. But this is what I love about court TV, is that we're able to see these types of pretrial motions. This is really where the lawyering is done, because these decisions here are going to really fundamentally affect how this case plays out at trial.